Happy New Year! Welcome back, fam. Today I decided to be very ambitious and do mini twists on both of my girls' hair. Here are the 3 reasons why I love mini twists. But first, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Longevity, low tension, and I love a nice twist out. If you want to see our full wash day routine, definitely check out the video linked below. Both of my kids have 2 separate hair types, but TGIN and Melanin hair care remain undefeated in its versatility to adapt to both. Stand on that. I'm so proud of my youngest because she got so much better at letting me do her hair. You see how still she's sitting and getting to the length. Okay. Now, I really love using just shea butter to twist their hair, but I found a shea butter soufflé in the hair store that I wanted to try, and wow, that has changed the game. A foam was also used in the twisting process, which is, I'm still not sure if I like the foam or not. At this point, I look disheveled because I was so tired, y'all. Alright, y'all, I had to wait until day 2 to do Arya's hair because her hair is the final boss. Why do I say that? Because the volume and the length of her hair, it just takes so much longer than Adeya's hair. Adeya's hair is very dense and yeah. Arya's hair took about 3-4 hours. Now, when I twist Arya's hair out, this will be for competition. So I have a style in mind of how I want to do it for her competition day. So definitely stay tuned for that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when we're posting.